Welcome back everyone, hope you're fine and good. Okay, friends. In the previous video, I talk about some key elements of meta description. Now I learn about how to write meta description in right way. Writing a good meta description is for SEO and user engagement. I explain you within the points. Okay, let's break down the best practices in more detail. Point 1, mustly stay within the character limit. Meta descriptions should be around 150 to 160 characters. Anything longer may get cut off in search engine results, which could reduce its effectiveness. Sticking to this limit ensures that the entire description is visible to users, giving them all the information they need to decide whether to click on your link. Okay, you should use tools like Google Search Console or SEO plugins like Yoast can help track the length of your meta descriptions. Point 2, to add relevant keywords. Keywords play an important role in how your page ranks in search engine results. Including your primary keywords in the meta description signals to both search engines and users that your content is relevant to their search query. However, avoid keyword stuffing. The goal is to include 1 to 2 important keywords, naturally, without making the description awkward or spammy. Okay, I give you example of this point, then you understand well. It's an example. If your page is about digital marketing, make sure the sentence digital marketing tips is part of your meta description. Point 3, use action purposeful language. To get more clicks, use strong action words that encourage people to take action. Words like discover, learn, boost, and start make users feel like they will gain something by clicking on your page. For example, instead of saying, "We offer digital marketing tricks," you could say, "Discover effective digital marketing tricks to grow your business." This way, it feels more inviting and helpful. This makes the description more engaging and inviting, prompting the user to click through to your content. Point 4, highlight the value. Your meta description should tell users what's in it for them. What problem does your content solve? How will it make their life easier? By emphasizing the value, you'll not only attract clicks but also ensure that users find what they expect, leading to a higher chance of conversion or further engagement. For example, learn how to rank your website traffic with these easy-to-apply SEO strategies. In this example, the user immediately understands the benefit of reading the article, gain traffic, and knows what to expect. Easy-to-apply SEO tips. And friends, I hope this video is really helpful to you. And the more points and more detail of this I must cover in the next video. Because of this you gain and pick the strategies in more easier way. Okay, see you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and mustly press the bell icon.